This is another spiritual tips, another recipe that will help you to pave ways for yourself, that will help you to open road for success, for blessing, for upliftment. But before you do this particular spiritual recipe, you need to be holy, and you need to be sure of yourself that you have never done any evil against any man, against any woman on earth. Because on this particular recipe, we are going to be using the earth, which is sand, that represent human beings. And if you are here, you have done any evil, both in the past or present, against any human being that is created by God, my advice to you is for you to never do this, because it's not going to work for you. But if you are here, you have never done wrong to any man, you never plan any evil against anybody, now this particular recipe is for you. After doing this particular recipe, you are going to pave a way. You are going to open that door that has refused to open, and favor will follow you. Blessing will follow you. Money will come looking for you. It only requires faith, because faith without work is a dead one, and holiness is very important. Hello viewers all over the world, welcome back to Chima's Natural Herbal Home and Spiritual Tips. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time zone where you are watching me from right now. Thank you all so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And if this is your first time of coming across this channel or being on this particular channel, I welcome you. Thank you for stopping by. On this very channel, I share spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual information, spiritual ways of life, how you can use natural ingredients, natural resources, natural plants, natural root, natural herbs that God has created to help yourself spiritually. Kindly watch my old videos, and if you love my teachings, do me a favor by subscribing to the red button by your right hand side. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I am online posting a video like this, you will be notified. Like my videos, comment on the comment section, invite your families, invite your friends, invite your well-wishers to be a partaker of this great family. And for you, my bona fide subscribers, my bona fide viewers, those that have been here for the very first time, I really appreciate you for being here. Those that has been calling me on the phone, those that has been requesting for my materials, my spiritual materials, those that has been giving me testimony that it works. May God in heaven, the creator of heaven and earth, the maker of all things, may he continue to bless you and to see you through. As I continue on here and I see people continue with me, this year 2022 is going to be your year. The sky is your stepping stone, and so shall it be. Please, for those of you who are just coming on here for the very first time, listen very attentively. I am the bona fide finder of Chima's Natural Herbal Home and Spiritual Tips, where we cure all kinds of diseases, all kinds of affliction, all kinds of infection, all kinds of spiritual poison, spiritual problem, no matter how long that case has lasted in your family, no matter how long that case has lasted in your life. If you need us to join forces together, if you need me to be a helper, if you need me to be involved in your spiritual life, all you need to do is to feel free to contact me, as I am open to communication. My WhatsApp number is +234 7088136610 plus 234 7088136610. Feel free to communicate with me, as I am open to communication. And as you do so, may God bless you. In today's spiritual tips and powerful recipe that I am about to teach you on here, for you to pave a way for yourself, a thing that you can do and you see yourself succeeding in life, you see yourself being blessed in life, you see yourself being favored anywhere you go. How can you pave a way for yourself? And what is that you can do that will help you to open every closed doors, every shortest doors, spiritually, physically, to open the door of finances for your business, to open the door of promotion, the door of upliftment for yourself, only with the Mother Earth, which is called sand. This recipe, this particular recipe that you are going to do to pave a way for yourself, to open doors for yourself, to be blessed and to be successful in life, requires sand. You know, most of you, when someone tells you that you are made from the sand of the earth, most of us don't understand it. All human being on earth is made from sand. And be you president, be you senator, be you first lady, no matter who you are, you must go back to the earth, which is sand. So how can you use sand to pave way for yourself? How can you use sand to open that door that has been closed? How can you use sand to acquire blessings and favor from all angles? The power is in you, because we on earth represent the universe, and to hear is human. Whatsoever you possess with your mouth, that is what you are going to get. If you are a Bible student, you can go to Genesis chapter 22, verse 15 to 18. You will see what the angels tells Abraham concerning sound, and you can use sound in your favor. Most people have done so much evil against your family, against your life, against your marriage with sand, which is Mother Earth. But today I am here to give you the recipe on how you can cancel anything that any man, any woman has done on the Mother Earth against your life, against your prosperity, against your family, and against your marriage. The power is in your own tongue, so use it wisely. Remember, faith cometh by hearing, and walk without faith is a dead one. If you want to use sand in your own favor, you want to use sand to obtain breakthrough, you want to use sand to pave a way for yourself, this is what you should do with it. It's going to be, if you are using it to open road for yourself, if you are using it for success and blessing, listen very carefully on how you should use sand for your own benefit, for you to have breakthrough. And it is done early in the morning. Yes, early in the morning, starting from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. This is when you should do this assignment. Pack a sand in your hand. And the weapon of warfare is your word, your speech. And before you do this particular recipe, you must be holy. And you must make sure that you have nothing against anyone. You must make sure in the past that you have never sworn with the Mother Earth against anyone. You must be holy. Remember, in any of my spiritual assignment, I advise my students, I advise my people, you must be holy. You must be purified before you do any of my assignment. 7 pieces of alligator pepper first. You use it to cleanse yourself that morning for every negative energies around you. Use 7 pieces of alligator pepper. After you might have sprayed and talk, you wave it on your hair 7 times. You use it to remove every negativities that will make your word not to come to pass when you are doing this assignment. After that, wave this alligator pepper 7 pieces 7 times on your head and throw it away. Now pack the sand which represents you, which represents every human being on earth. Sand goes to sand, dust to dust, and so goes to the owner, which is our creator. Pack a sand, no matter how little it is, pack it in your hand. Come outside, begin to speak. Call the whole universe. Call God in heaven that creates you. Call, if you know your father's deities, call them. If you know your ancestors' name, call them. Those you come from their lineage, call them and speak to the sand. And say, with this sand in my hand, today, any man, any woman, any spirit that has used sand to tie my destiny, to tie my future up, anything that they have done against the Mother Earth that is working against my life, that is causing stagnation, that is causing hard luck, that is causing any forms of barrenness in my life, be it financial barrenness, be it childbearing. No matter what any man has done against Mother Earth, against my life, today I take charge and I speak to you, Mother Earth. Walk against any man, walk against any woman that has placed a curse against my life, against my family, against my future on the Mother Earth that is working against my life, making me not to move forward in life, making me to suffer, making people to hate me, making me not to receive favor, making me not to receive blessings of God. Today, as I speak with the speed of my mouth and the sand of the earth in my hand, I call all the spirit, 21 angels in heaven, for them to come down from above and honor the words of my mouth. Speak what you want, how you want that week to be, how you want that month to be, how you want your life to be, how you want your life to have test. Tell the Mother Earth to add test to your life. After speaking your mind, after doing your incantation, after calling God and rendering your request to Him, to the Creator and the Mediator of heaven and earth, pour a spit 4 times into the sand. Mix it with your spit. Then get honey, original honey. Mix the honey with the sand and the spit. Do you know what you will do for me? Now, in your houses, in that your business places, in that your company where you work, take the sand to the place as you have mixed the component, your spit, honey, and the sound. Mix it together. Take it to your house. Drop each and every corners of your house and say today, heaven will favor me, earth will favor me, moon will favor me, sun will favor me, sun will favor me. Whenever I step out of my house, I must come back with glory of God. The glory of God will follow me, and the Mother Earth will make ways for me where there is no way. Drop little by little each and part of your house. If you have a store, you can drop a little of it in your store, 4 corners of your store, and you will see how the universe will favor you. You will see how the universe is going to pave ways for you. You will start succeeding. Most people has been cursed with sound. You can return the curse back to the sender, whoever that has cursed you, because of your mistake. Maybe you have done something unknowingly, and out of anger someone has laid the curse on you, and since then things has been difficult. Your pastor won't see this, your native doctor won't see this, even your prophet won't see this. Freely it is given to us as a gift, and freely we are giving it on here on YouTube. It is not fetish. If you think it is fetish, don't do it. But if you do this, the sky is going to be your stepping stone. I am going to come to the end of this video. For you, my fans, my followers, my viewers, please keep watching my old videos. And if you like my videos on this spiritual tips race, kindly do me a favor by subscribing to the red button by your right hand side. Please subscribe to my channel, and as you do so, may God bless you. And don't forget to read Genesis 22:15-18. You will see what the angel tell Abraham about son, and as you do so, may God in heaven bless you. Thank you. See you next time in my next video.